Hello. How are you? We are hungry. What?
My eyeliner isn't the same size. I don't know.
My eyeliner is perfect.
Oh, something stabbed me. Beard.
What? So my beard is migrating to my shirt.
No, like I guess from the shavings.
I wasn't wearing my shirt when I shaved though.
No, I mean my beard fell off. Magic beard.
My beard is shedding. Okay, so we're here. Kat's getting her. Alright.
Yeah.
Now we're back.
What we're gonna do.
So that's the plan. No, she just goes to my pocket. Here's your phone.
You have so many pockets.
Yes, I do. And why are you going through them? It's in here. Okay, so Kat's getting her pictures for her application. There's a napkin. Starbucks napkin. This video is sponsored by Starbucks. Not really. And then it's gonna take 5 minutes.
We're waiting outside, but then it's gonna be time. Yay!
Okay, take 5.
Maybe we should just cut out those parts.
Nah. So yeah, we're going to that. What? My self-defense is leveling up.
Oh, see? There's another one. I don't know if you can see, but look. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Hang on, let me
My
just
beard
do it
hair is
again.
just.
Oh, yeah.
Ow! I felt that.
Wait.
I stabbed myself with my own beard hair.
Oh, see?
How the heck are they in my shirt?
There's so many here.
But how?
I don't know.
I wasn't even wearing my shirt.
There's so many. Oh, I guess when you do this, they come off.
This has been the longest video about nothing ever. Okay, so we're waiting for Kat's pics. Are you having a good time?
No.
You're stretching my shirt more than it already is.
No, there's so many there.
It's for self-defense. I'm like a porcupine.
Okay, let me try again. Oh, there's so many. Oh, wait.
Ow! That's in my eye.
Aww.
Okay, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go probably to the mall so we can get some food or something, because I don't know what we're gonna do. That lady's looking at me funny. Probably because you're harassing my chest.
No.
Yeah.
I'm picking out the hair.
I don't know what that
She was talking in Filipino.
She was talking to someone. Okay, so we're gonna cut the video because this is getting a little bit awkward. People are looking at me funny because I'm getting like manicured on the streets of New York.
Wait.
Okay?
Why do you have so much hair?
Because I'm a man. Get it?
Bye.
Hey guys, we're at the food court. We got Taco Bell. Kat is getting Doritos tacos.
For the first time.
For the first time. So we're gonna have a little taste test, and then we're gonna have a time lapse because we know how much you love it. I got the Daredevil shiz. So there's like Chipotle, which is like the basicest version. habanero, which is the second basicest version. And then ghost pepper, which is supposed to be the ultimate version. We'll see. And I've never seen this sauce before at Taco Bell.
Wait, why is there paper?
Yeah, just like the holder.
Oh, wait.
Alright, so we're gonna enjoy it.
Are you gonna left it down?
What?
Are you gonna time left it down?
Well, taste first. Yeah.
Good.
Good? She likes it. Now put hot sauce on it.
We had yogurt first before dinner.
Yeah, we had Fro-Yo first. This is closer to where we were. No. Tasty. Time lapse time.